Mastering the weekdays. Common English phrases and expressions. Hello, English learners. In today's lesson, we're diving deep into a very practical part of English language learning. Understanding the weekdays and how to use them in common expressions and phrases. The days of the week are not just about telling time. They're often used in idioms and everyday English conversation. Let's get started. First things first, let's revisit the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We use these terms every day, but they also play a big role in various English phrases and expressions. Let's start with expressions related to the beginning of the week. 1. Monday morning blues. This phrase refers to a feeling of sadness or unhappiness that people often feel at the start of the work week. For example, I have the Monday morning blues after a fun weekend. 2. Bright and early Monday morning. This is used to denote the very beginning of the work week. It could be used as, I will start working on the project bright and early Monday morning. Now, let's move on to expressions related to the middle of the week. 1. Hump day. This is a common term for Wednesday, denoting that we are over the hump, or middle of the week. For example, let's meet for coffee this hump day to break the monotony. 2. Midweek crisis. Refers to the stress or workload that typically occurs around Wednesday. Like, I'm having a midweek crisis with all these assignments due. Lastly, let's explore phrases connected to the end of the week. 1. Thank God it's Friday. TGIF. This is an expression used to express relief at the end of the work week. For instance, TGIF. I thought this week would never end. 2. Working for the weekend. This term describes the mindset of people who focus on the upcoming weekend during their work week. For example, I've been working for the weekend, can't wait to relax. And there you have it. These are just a few examples of how weekdays are used in English expressions. Remember, understanding and using these phrases can make your English sound more fluent and natural. So keep practicing, and you'll master these in no time. Happy learning!